Imagine, you're sitting down with a cup of water. You stop when the floor beneath you trembles. You witness lights falling out of the ceiling and people getting trapped under falling debris. You know this can only mean one thing, an earthquake. These quakes can be deadly, but the science behind it is more interesting than it seems.
An earthquake may occur when the hottest part of the earth, the core, heats up the mantle, causing it to turn. When the mantle moves, it pulls along everything in its way, including tectonic plates. When the plates crash and become stuck to each other, it may cause energy to build up below them. The energy is released in the form of seismic waves. The fastest waves result as a big thud. The slowest waves result as a rocking motion. This rocks buildings back and forth, and if they are not strong enough, they will collapse.
Earthquakes can result to ground shaking, serious injuries, landslides, avalanches, fires, and tsunamis. Aftershocks can occur minutes, days, weeks, even months after the initial scary shock. Earthquakes can affect many people. They can destroy buildings and pipes, and often the natural gas in the pipes can explode, causing fire. Make sure to be aware after an earthquake for any fallen power lines, broken gas lines, instead of any damaged areas.
There are many ways to measure earthquakes. There's an instrument called a seismograph. This records seismic waves. Seismic waves are sent out when an earthquake begins. When the earth rumbles, it records lines onto a recording sheet. Each line has 15 minutes of data, 4 lines per hour. There are 2 other forms of measurement used, the Richter scale and the moment magnitude scale. The Richter scale has no upper limit. It measures the largest seismic wave or amplitude. The moment magnitude scale goes up to 10.0. 7.0 and higher is considered an extreme earthquake.
So to stay safe, practice in your med kit. 1 gallon of water per person, 3 days of supply and food, another first aid kit for your home and cars, flashlight with extra batteries, a whistle, Swiss Army knife, copies of personal documents, a flashlight with extra batteries, a pair of glasses, and some cash. What you should do during an earthquake: drop, cover, hold on. This is for people who are in tall buildings. Drop to hands and knees. This protects you from falling. Cover head and neck and go underneath the table so nothing will fall on you.
One earthquake in India that happened in 2004, it measured as a 9.2 earthquake and killed 230,000 people. It hit the Sumatra and the Nicobar Island and also caused a tsunami that killed a lot of people. Another example is the great 1906 San Francisco earthquake. It killed 3,000 people and measured as an 8.0 earthquake. Scientists learned a lot of knowledge from that event.
Now they have all this information about causes, effects, prevention and safety, measurement, and historical events. You should always be aware and prepared for an earthquake. Thank you for watching our presentation.